GERfusion. Sup, sports fans. So, tomorrow we're going camping. There's quite a few of us going. We're going to the North Downs, up near Leaf Hill. There's a little location that we sort of scattered out. So we're going to go and have a look. Got some Jimmy news, if you're into that, coming up. I'll do a video about that soon, but let's go camping. Right, I'm going to go through my equipment again. Oh, it's just the same as last time, but big sleeping bag, 4-season Highlander sleeping bags, wicked, but it's just fat. Big bag to take the fat, big sleeping bag. Look at this. This is a onesie long john set that I got on eBay, fresh, never worn. I was fed up with getting a cold back. Water in water bottles, reused the old bottle. Chair, a little bit of a luxury this time, chair and a mat to sit on. Half pack of baby wipes, sleeping mat, my clothes, bag full of goodies, all my head torches, all my bits and bobs are all in there. Waterproof fire maple in there. I put it in the bit. I've got a frying pan in there as well because I want to do fry some bacon again for breakfast. Moray knife, camera stuff, GERfusion 24-hour MRE. I've got so much shit in there, so much. It's proper heavy, but I'm not going hungry on this trip, I'll tell you. And my tent. We've reached our destination. Just waiting for these boys. Where's the crack? Oh, Nick's not ready. We've got to wait for Nick.
Come on, Nick.
No. We're one for all for one.
Nick, have you shit yourself? It looks like you're wearing a nappy. That's some magic mushroom.
So we're sort of trying to discuss the location. Everybody's got different ideas. Not in the most low-key spot ever, but time's getting on now, so let's get on. I think I'm going to go somewhere here. It's not 100% flat, but it'll fucking do. Here we are, sports fans. As you can see, we're all set up now. We're all in our different quadrants. Over here, so you've got the hammockers, they're over there. You've got us with our tents, and we've got the other tents. It's like advanced, intermediate, and novice. They're not, but it just looks that way. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Here we have advanced. These boys look like they're seasoned hammockers. How you getting on, boys?
Getting there.
Oh, that is a taunt tarp if ever I've seen one. Look at that. That's good, mate. No one's going to see you in a hurry, are they? What is it, DD hammocks, this, is it?
Yeah, DD. Lady's got DD as well.
Oh, look at that. That's a proper job, isn't it, that one? Proper. Adrian's just setting his up. Yours DD as well, is it? Yeah, look at that. Got the fly on it, it's got the works. Looking good, mate, looking good. Here we go, approaching the Novice Camp. How we doing? Oh, that is a sight for sore eyes, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the state of that.
Fuck off. Stop putting that on fucking YouTube, mate.
There's our Nick. How you getting on, Nick? Little bit of cover, yeah. So it's a little bit more sort of low key. So this is your tent, is it, Dan? Yeah, new tent you bought? Trespass?
On the other side it says it.
Where's the outer layer?
That's it.
That it, is it?
That's it.
Single skin, is it?
Single skin it is.
Single skin. Let's have a look.
I've got a 4-season sleeping bag.
Right, okay.
That's proper like.
That brand new, is it?
Yeah.
How much that cost you?
Don't know. A bit.
It's alright, doesn't it? Like your pillow, Dan.
Thanks, mate. Says it there.
Looking good. Flying low, but you're looking good. Oh yeah, okay. Trespass 2-man. Oh, it's a 2-manner.
Yeah, I've got this
Nice.
bag, haven't I?
Plenty of space, nice
Brand new
looking
bag.
bag, yeah. It's looking good. There's old Nick, look at Nick.
I've got my piece of wood
Old
as well.
Nick, good old Nick. Old piece of
table.
wood, yeah, it's a little table. Well done. Ollie
Where the homeless
has
people
decided to move because he wants to go under the shelter with Nick. And Dan, Dan, do you want to talk us through? Get your hands out, you're on camera, thank you. Do you want to talk us through what you're doing here?
State-of-the-art satellite TV.
Satellite. So that's to boost your phone signal, is it?
Yeah, it is.
How are you getting on with that?
Shit.
Is it not worked? Oh,
You fucking piece.
so you've put a tent peg through a beer can with some tin foil
Yeah.
and you're boosting your phone signal.
Not really.
It's not working, is it?
No.
Just put them in the bin, Dan.
Oh, well, in a minute. Just
Leave your phone out of it. We're out camping with the boys. Don't need your phone, all right?
Okay.
Oh, that's better. Right. Hello, sports fans. Got my homemade GERfusion MRE. See if I can get it open without using it. Craig,
No.
I'll borrow your knife. No, actually, I'll use.
Need
Stop.
it?
Have you got a knife to hand? Yes. Right, let's get this bad boy open. Yes. Thank you. Right, so what we got? We have got sticky toffee pudding,
No, I think my shit in this thing.
eggs. This is for breakfast. We've got my welfare pack, chili con carne, bacon with oil. That's for my breakfast tomorrow. Oh, my wraps. That's for my breakfast tomorrow. Mashed potato with butter as well. My spoon, Rolos.
Nick, I told you could try some.
That's for my breakfast. My ketchup from McDonald's. Toilet paper. That's it. Let's get cooking. Fire maple's on. Got my ration packs in there. Nick's gone. I don't know what he's playing at. Yeah, he's doing well. We've all got our. Adie's got his American MRE there. Dan's got. Ollie's got fish. Bit of fish there. Right, my mashed potato done.
Look at these peas, sort of like an open pressure, really.
Oh look,
that's good.
So there's my mashed potato, proper mash, not instant mash. Oh look at that. Set there for a minute. And here is my chili con carne.
Do it the other way.
Oh look, oh my god, it's going to fill up my whole bowl. I should have done some more mash. Does anyone want chili con carne? Oh yes. Look at that, lovely. Oh, sticky toffee pudding.
Mine, mate.
Look at that. Doesn't look the most appealing thing, but let's get it.
You should have bought this one.
Oh, hot.
This one was like 10 quid though.
Hot. Oh, shit,
Wonder
mate.
why it's hot.
Oh, that was good. Little Brucey bonus here. Marshmallows.
Don't wake up feeling like shit.
Oh, look at these bad boys. Oh, they're the proper ones. Look at that.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, Nick. Yourself out.
Some bit it's true though, isn't it? Like Mike, mate.
Yeah.
When he's living there, he goes like midnight.
Ollie.
Wakes up like 5. I don't know how he does Eddie, you it. sure you don't want
Too
to share,
slow,
mate? You lost out. You know, Eddie, do you want a half?
No,
It's in the fucking size of
God,
it.
these are fucking massive.
fucking hell.
Yeah. That's so nice when it goes caramelised, isn't it?
It's very stuck on the lip.
Oh, banging.
Make a nice crust on it. Look off the crust and then once you got it off the crust, oh my god, you're ready for a revisit.
Revisit.
Look at the colour of that. Oh, smoke right in my eyes. Look at that, bit of ash on there, never hurt no one.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh my god. Here we are, sports fans. As you can see.
I've got the comfiest seat in the house.
Quite comfortable there.
I've got a warm blanket, I've got a great
Standing up.
blanket.
Yeah, just chilling. We've had our dinners. It's just gone 9 o'clock. I think we're going to go to bed soon, aren't we?
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's a good shout.
I think that's we're going to let this bad boy burn down and then sort it out, make it safe and go to sleep. Right, sports fans. I'm in bed. What's the time? It's just gone 10:30. Yeah, we're all settled down. Fire's all sorted. So how do I don't know. I don't know if I'm on a hill or not. I might be slightly going that way, but it ain't a lot. It seems alright, so hopefully we'll get a good night's sleep. I've been coughing all night, like the last couple of weeks, so I'm just taking a couple of night nurses, so I'm probably gonna fucking die, just go straight to sleep. But we've got me my earplugs, put them in so the woodland doesn't keep me awake all night. So if a serial killer comes, at least I won't hear him trying to kill me. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Oh my god. So, good morning sports fans. I'm up. It's 7:30. I've had a bit of lay-in because I slept like shit last night. Oh my god, like shit. Fucking, what a night. So, you hear that? So it's just been gales. It started raining about 1 o'clock in the night. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Then the wind picked up. I just weren't sleeping for some reason. I just couldn't switch my brain off. Even though I had that night nurse. And then I thought, oh no, god, I need a wee, which is fine. Like, it's better. It's always better to just go for a wee, because otherwise your body's trying to keep your wee at 37 degrees or whatever. You might as well just go for a wee and you warm up and you feel nice. I went for a wee, fine. Sort of dozed back off again. Then I was all, awake and asleep and awake till about 4 in the morning. Then 4 in the morning, fucking disaster struck. That bloody chili con carne I had last night wanted out, and it wanted out now. There was no, I had no choice. Well, I did have a choice. It was either shit myself or, go. So, I had to go out in the woods, in my pants and my coat. It was blowing a gale. Go and find a bush. And go and do my business. And then, I couldn't find my way back, could I? I did think I better sort of go a bit cautious here. Luckily, Nick's got a reflective strip on his tent, so I picked that up and I found my way back. But yeah, otherwise, I'll still be wandering around in my pants now. So yeah, that was exciting. And then another thing, Dan gave me one of these hand warmers. Yeah, one of these never used them before. Opened up the pack. I thought there was nothing happening. I don't know how you work it. I was trying to break it. I was trying to do whatever. Just nothing happened. So I chucked it in my sleeping bag. Forgot about it. And then I woke up again. I was laying on this warm thing. I thought, I bloody wet the bed, didn't I? And I had to check, and I realised it was this hand warmer that was right underneath my bump. So that's exciting. I'm gonna get up, I think. It's raining quite hard, so I might take my inner part of the tent down and have my breakfast sort of inside the tent a bit if I can. I've got my chair, so I've not tried sitting in my chair inside here yet, so we'll see. Some movement over in the advanced camp over there. Doesn't look like there's much going on in Novice. Right, let's get our breakfast ready, shall we? So what we've got? Morning tea, bacon with oil. Wraps, we want that. my egg and my ketchup. I think I'm going to have my breakfast tea. This. Oh, lovely. Leave that to brew. Right, I'm going to get the bacon on with the oil in it first before I light the pan, because last time I lit the pan it burnt a hole in the middle of it, so all that oil. I get my metal spoon for this. Not really the biggest pan to cook in, but hey ho. Mate, it smells fantastic. Let's get my wraps out while that's cooking. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my bacon on my wraps and stick my egg in, just scramble it up as quick as possible. Instant scrambled egg, look at this. Ouch. Bit of McDonald's Tommy K. Egg, bacon, Tommy K. Look at that. Mate, let's try it. Ooh. Mmm. That is delicious. Perhaps next time, a little less oil on the bacon. That is fantastic. Cheers. That's all packed up. Obviously leave no trace at all. The hammocks were over there. So this is where I was. Obviously the trademark dry bit. But yeah, apart from that, no trace whatsoever. There's no bloody cuts in trees or anything. So yeah, no trace. Time to get walking.